Learn English with your Instill.
Hey, is this spot taken?
No, go ahead and sit.
Do you come here often?
Yeah, I love the ocean.
Is the water warm today?
Yeah, it's perfect for swimming.
Do you like to surf?
Not really, I'm more of a swimmer.
What's your favorite beach activity?
Building sandcastles, believe it or not.
Did you hear that seagull?
Yeah, they're always so loud.
Do you have sunscreen on?
Of course, I burn easily.
Is the water cold?
A bit at first, but you get used to it.
Do you know the tide schedule?
I think it's coming in now.
What's your name?
I'm Alex.
Do you live around here?
Yeah, just a few miles away.
Do you like seashells?
Yeah, I collect them.
Have you seen any dolphins?
Not today, but I've seen them here before.
Do you come here with friends?
Sometimes, but today I'm solo.
What's the best time of day to come here?
Morning and sunset are amazing.
Do you prefer the sand or the water?
The water, definitely.
Are there many jellyfish around?
I haven't seen any today.
What's your favorite beach food?
Tacos.
Do you like playing volleyball?
Yeah, but I'm not very good.
Is it always this busy?
Only on weekends and holidays.
What's your favorite beach song?
Anything with a tropical vibe.
Do you know how to snorkel?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Have you ever seen a sea turtle?
Once, it was magical.
Are you a morning or evening beach person?
Evening, hands down.
Do you like playing in the waves?
Yeah, I get tossed around like crazy.
Did you grow up by the ocean?
No, but I wish I did.
What's the best beach movie?
I'd say Jaws, just kidding.
What kind of beach do you like? Rocky or sandy?
Sandy, always.
Do you like going to beach bonfires?
Yes, they're so cozy.
What do you usually bring to the beach?
Towel, water, and a good book.
Are you a beach walker or a sunbather?
Definitely a sunbather.
Do you like paddleboarding?
I've tried, but I'm not great at it.
Can you see any fish from here?
Not right now, but usually.
Do you like the smell of the ocean?
I love it. It's so refreshing.
Is there a lifeguard on duty today?
Yeah, they're keeping an eye on things.
Do you ever collect driftwood?
Sometimes, I make art out of it.
Do you know any fun beach games?
How about beach frisbee?
Is it hard to find parking here?
Yeah, on busy days it's tough.
What's your favorite beach drink?
A cold coconut water.
Do you like sand between your toes?
Absolutely, it's the best part.
Have you ever tried parasailing?
Not yet, but it's on my list.
Do you like beach sunsets?
Who doesn't?
What do you think about the ocean breeze?
It's perfect, so calming.
Do you know any beach songs?
Yeah, like Kokomo by the Beach Boys.
Do you like to bring a speaker to the beach?
Sometimes, but I try not to disturb others.
Ever gone to a beach party?
Yeah, they're so much fun.
What's your favorite beach wear?
Comfortable shorts and a tank top.
Do you like to swim at night?
I'm not that brave.
How's the weather today?
Perfect, sunny with a light breeze.
Do you like to see the stars here at night?
Definitely, it's beautiful.
What's your favorite beach activity to do with kids?
Building sandcastles is always fun.
Do you ever try beach yoga?
I have once, and it was so peaceful.
Do you like to fish off the pier?
Yes, it's so relaxing.
Have you ever found a starfish?
Yes, I found one once, and it was so cool.
Do you use an umbrella when you go to the beach?
Yes, I need shade.
What's your favorite beach game?
Beach soccer.
Do you like to swim out far?
Not too far, I'm a bit of a scaredy cat.
What's the best thing to do here during summer?
Go to the boardwalk and enjoy the food.
Do you like long walks on the beach?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Have you ever seen a whale from the shore?
Not here, but I'd love to.
Do you like watching the waves crash?
It's so mesmerizing.
Do you ever take pictures of the sunset?
All the time, it's too pretty not to.
Is this your first time at this beach?
No, I come here often.
Do you ever see crabs at night?
Yeah, they come out a lot.
Do you like to do beach volleyball?
Yes, but I'm not that great at it.
Do you like to come early or late?
Late, when the sun is setting.
Is there a food stand nearby?
Yeah, just a few steps away.
What's your go-to-beach snack?
Chips and salsa.
What's your favorite part of being here?
The peaceful sound of the waves.
Do you like beach puzzles?
I've never tried, but it sounds fun.
What time do you usually come to the beach?
Around 2 or 3 p.m.
Ever try making a sand sculpture?
Yeah, it's a bit challenging but fun.
Do you like to ride the waves?
Yes, I love it.
Do you ever take a nap at the beach?
All the time, it's the best.
Have you ever seen a beach wedding?
Yes, it's so romantic.
Do you bring a hat to the beach?
Always. It's a must-have.
Do you like to make footprints in the sand?
Yes, and I like seeing them washed away by the waves.
Do you like to swim under the pier?
I've never tried. Is it fun?
Do you ever get scared of sharks?
A little, but I try not to think about it.
Do you know how to bodyboard?
Yeah, I learned as a kid.
Do you like the sound of the ocean?
Yes, it's so soothing.
What's your best memory here?
When I learned to swim here with my family.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.